It's not blonde. It's a clean slate. What? Anyway, yeah, hello. It's Pixie again. If you are new to this channel, welcome. What's up? As usual, I need to take my freaking sweater off. This is probably my last unboxing for a while. Then there's that whips off sweater. Everything falls. After the demise of Hush, still don't know what's happening with it. Rest in peace, Hush. I did get my last 3 pallets because everything was running out and I was running out of time. So I've been watching this other website for a while that's pretty freaking similar. Also, this is the palette I'm wearing. Hello. Hello. This is the palette I'm wearing tonight with a different bronzer highlight. Rosy cheeks that I left in there. This is Nika K New York. It's called 23 Perfect 23 matte colors. That's redundant. This is also cruelty-free. I do believe I found it on the Hush app. Stupid glare. Let's pretend I know anything about ring lights. I have one on the way. Already ordered one. Ordered the wrong one. A USB one. Anyway, these are beautiful. For some reason on the back it says these are the eyeshadows and these are the blushes. That is the opposite. We'll just have a moment with cheap makeup and mislabeling, but I did look them up, even though it doesn't have the bunny on the back. They are certified cruelty-free. Rest in peace, Hush. Again. So anyway, ShopMissA is kind of like Hush, but everything's $1, except for their bundles that are $10. So I ordered $64 worth. So if you break it down, and I mean the box is just insane. Can't even get it in the camera. It's about the size of an Amazon box, but it was $64.40, and these are what the bundles look like. Some of them are themed. You just kind of click on it, and I'm not even sure if I remember correctly what extra plastic what I ordered, or if they just like, oh, you want that bundle and you want this one piece for $1, so we're just gonna bag them. So everything's generally in bags. Some are just like random. I am not sponsored, but you can see ShopMissA label. And they're all sealed. They all look like good pieces. They look like, I mean, just random. There's some lip pieces, and then there's just a mascara with like 6 other lip glosses. And they still have palettes, but they're just not major name brands. This is beautiful. Look how big those are. And they just look like beautiful. They all came intact. I won't be able to show all of them. And ShopMissA says everything's cruelty-free, and so far I have seen the little bunny on the back. But yes, for $64, I can't open all of them, obviously. I have my... I thought I felt a sneeze. Excuse me. I cleaned my old room at my mom's house because we have guests coming. So we made up like 2 guest rooms, and there's just a lot of dust. So here's another one, big grab bag. So I'm just going to open a couple of these, and it's free shipping. I can't remember exactly how much, but these are like some of the individual pieces I got. And I already opened one because I started this video and then I just kind of botched it. But yeah, I mean, tons of stuff. These are one of those magnetic palettes, and it's called Foxy, but it came with 9 different eyeshadows where you can just stick whatever colors you want to wear in case you're traveling. You can change your colors. I got 2 of those. The other one's called Date Night. So I'm like, okay, I'll bite. You know, I love Hush, and you know, I just gotta like amuse. I talked about that in one of my last videos. I'm glad they have similar brands that Hush did, or some of the same brands, and just kind of, and I guess I'll just kind of, look, I actually held the brush in place this time. If you watched my last video when I opened one, the brushes just like went everywhere. But yeah, good colors. Like, yeah. Huh. But I was really excited to get this package because, like I said, I spent, there's this cute little label, the tissue paper it came with. I was really excited to get this because I was like, rest in peace, Hush. But yay, more cheap makeup because it has a lot of the same idea, the same aesthetic, the same, like, we're not going to test on animals and here's some really cheap crap if you are just not getting into makeup. 2 minutes. So let's do, this is one of the bundles. Since I run out of time, I'm just going to be like, screw it. I'm really tired of this camera. Lipstick moisture, whatever that is. But yeah, check out ShopMissA. Again, like I said, I'm not sponsored. That's good. I'm not sponsored, but I was really curious, so maybe I'll do a look. And if you check me out on Depop, Instagram, my Facebook, I sell my stuff, I talk a lot about makeup, I do a lot of fashion looks. Please check me out, be sure to subscribe. Hit that bell down below so you get more notifications. I will have a ring light soon, hopefully a newer camera that records for longer so I'm not rushed. And next time you see me, I will hopefully have a fresh batch of rainbow hair. But I do want to also mention, I tried Ion's Color Brilliance Bleach for the first time with 30 volume developer, and it took so much color out without frying my hair. Super soft. Please check that out. It's at Sally Beauty Supply. Again, hashtag not sponsored. Wish I was. I'm not that lucky yet. But boom, boom, boom. Pixie out. Love you.